fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. We ain't stressing about the loot.
So once again, this trick is amazing. I'm going to share it with you all. This is an old banana peel. And you just wrap up a piece of paper and do a little funnel. And then they all get trapped. And then you let them out outside.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Guys, I think I figured out what's this hole in the McFlurry. You know, the classic McDonald's McFlurry, the hole right here. So first of all, you need to take the lid out. Take that lid, you don't need that. And as you guys can see, the McDonald's logo, that's the real McFlurry and everything. All you need to do is take a sip from it. Just like so. I just melted my McFlurry, that's why it's liquid. And that's it. All you need to do is take a sip from here.
So some have asked how to clean in between the two pieces of glass on the oven, and I'm happy to say I found a way. Pull your bottom drawer out and you'll find this opening. Straighten out a wire hanger and take a damp cloth and clean away.
Coño. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice guys always finish last. Should have known that. You're mad. I'm back. Big mad. He's mad. She's mad. Big sad. Ha ha. Don't care. Stay mad. Wait.
Renegade.
Go.
Got one.
Go. Go. Oh. Yeah. Go. Go. Let's go. Cash on me like I hit the lottery.
كان مالي ومال الجواز والنيله والهبه ده. ما انا كنت قاعده هنومه متستته على الاخر وبتفرج على التلفزيون وبسمع كوكو واوا كوكو واوا. ماله كوكو واوا كوكو واوا كوكو واوا كوكو واوا.